Los Angeles, a city of dreams, known for its glitz, glamour, and golden hills. But beneath the bright lights lies a harsh reality: wildfires that transform this vibrant landscape into one of resilience and recovery. Today, we'll explore the story of Los Angeles before and after the flames. The natural beauty of Los Angeles. Los Angeles is a city surrounded by nature. The sprawling urban landscape is bordered by stunning mountain ranges and a beautiful coastline. Griffith Park, one of the largest urban parks in North America, offers an escape into nature with its hiking trails, observatory, and sweeping views of the city. Just a short drive away, Malibu's pristine beaches and the rugged cliffs of the Pacific Coast Highway showcase California's iconic coastal beauty. Meanwhile, the Santa Monica Mountains provide a haven for wildlife and outdoor enthusiasts alike. Perfect weather and outdoor living. Los Angeles is famous for its year-round sunshine and mild weather. With an average of over 280 sunny days a year, Angelinos embrace an outdoor lifestyle. From morning jogs along Venice Beach to yoga sessions in the park, the city's climate encourages activity and wellness. Evenings often bring spectacular sunsets, casting a golden glow over the landscape, a moment of calm in a bustling metropolis. The ecosystem at risk. But beneath its beauty lies a delicate ecosystem. Los Angeles is part of California's Mediterranean climate zone, characterized by hot, dry summers and mild, wet winters. Native plants like chaparral and coastal sage scrub have adapted to thrive in this environment, but non-native species, such as eucalyptus trees, have also taken root, increasing the risk of fire. Combined with prolonged droughts, these conditions create a perfect storm for wildfires. Life before the fire. Before wildfires sweep through, life in Los Angeles is bustling and full of energy. The city's iconic outdoor lifestyle thrives in its parks, trails, and beaches. The hillsides are lush with native plants, like sagebrush and oak trees, mingling with non-native species that have made their home here over the decades. This natural beauty defines much of LA's charm, but it also creates a perfect storm when dry conditions and strong winds collide. The calm before the storm. Yet, as beautiful as Los Angeles can be, its residents know that fire season is never far away. The dry brush, combined with the infamous Santa Ana winds, creates a sense of vulnerability. Despite this, the city thrives, preparing for the challenges ahead while cherishing the beauty of the present. Every sunny day feels like a gift, a reminder of the city's resilience and vibrancy. The arrival of the fire. It starts with a spark, sometimes from a lightning strike, a power line, or even human activity. Fueled by the notorious Santa Ana winds, the flames spread quickly, engulfing hillsides and threatening neighborhoods. Residents scramble to evacuate, leaving behind homes, memories, and the lives they've built. The sky turns orange, ash rains down, and the air fills with a thick, choking haze. Los Angeles transforms into a city under siege. The immediate aftermath. When the flames subside, the aftermath is devastating. Entire communities are left unrecognizable, with homes reduced to rubble and wildlife habitats destroyed. For many Angelinos, the recovery process begins with assessing the damage. But it's not just about rebuilding structures. It's about restoring a sense of normalcy in a city that has seen its landscape and spirit deeply scarred. Resilience and recovery. Los Angeles is no stranger to challenges, and its resilience shines in the wake of destruction. Communities come together, offering support to those affected. Firefighters and first responders are celebrated as heroes, and organizations step up to provide aid. Rebuilding takes time. Homes are reconstructed, parks are replanted, and local wildlife begins to return. The city adapts, learning from each fire and working to prevent future devastation. The new normal. In the years following a wildfire, Los Angeles adapts to a new normal. Fire-resistant building materials and designs become more common, and awareness campaigns teach residents how to prepare for future fires. Nature, too, begins its recovery. California's native plants, like chaparral and certain pine species, are fire-adapted, meaning they rely on fires to regenerate and thrive. Slowly but surely, the landscape begins to heal. Looking to the future. As wildfires become more frequent and intense due to climate change, Los Angeles is investing in solutions. From advanced fire detection systems to community preparedness programs, the city is determined to protect its people and environment. But it's also a reminder of our role in preserving and respecting nature. Fire is a natural part of California's ecosystem, but its impact on human life calls for balance and care. Los Angeles, a city of contrasts, continues to rise from the ashes stronger than ever. Its story is one of beauty, loss, and resilience, a reminder that even after the flames, life can flourish anew. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe as we bring you more stories of triumph and transformation. See you